Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Sapil. Brand Sapil is another branch or subsidiary of the house of Swiss Arabian. Swiss Arabian are one of the biggest and most famous perfume houses from United Arab Emirates, and they make amazing fragrances for the price, for the money you pay. And this lineup, the Sapil lineup, is their cheaper lineup, but don't let that fool you, because even though they are very on the cheap side or very reasonable side, they usually are very good, especially for the price. So this one in particular called Sapil Nice Feeling Red. This is 75 ml. Eau de Toilette. I think it's Eau de Toilette. Yeah. So 75 ml Eau de Toilette. Yeah, Eau de Toilette, and aimed for men. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this in future, to bring you hidden gems like this into your attention. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So very simple boxing and very simple presentation. As I said, this is a very affordable line. Usually they go under £20 in United Kingdom. In other places I'm expecting it to be similar prices. So quite a simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. And as always, we have this seal on their boxes, which is a good thing because it means nobody opened it, but it's a bad thing for unboxing and first impression. Anyway, so I unboxed and reviewed the last one, from this Nice Feeling, or Sapil Nice Feeling. That was Sapil Nice Feeling Black. That was amazing fragrance, and it lasted so long. So as you can see, again, very simple boxing, very simple presentation. But as always I say in my videos, give me the simplest presentation and the simplest box and bottle, but give me a good juice and I'll be very happy. And let's see how it goes. So 75 ml, the cap is plastic, and the atomizer, here we go. Fantastic atomizer, gives mist out. Very good. So how is the Sapil Nice Feeling Red Eau de Toilette 75 ml? In the United Kingdom you can find under £20 and is aimed for men. Here we go. First sniff, first impression. Woo, sweet. So first thing hits me is the sweetness. It's very sweet. Between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 8 to 9 in terms of sweetness, so it's very sweet. Big citrus. I can smell lemon, I can smell bergamot, I can smell a little bit of lime. So big citrusy, sweet citrus opened. I can smell floral in the background. Definitely rose. So this is a big on a rose, but rose here is quite fresh rose. It's not a jammy rose, it's not a dark rose, it's not earthy rose. It's a very fresh and uplifting rose. Sorry. I can smell some other florals, but I'm not sure, are they? Yeah, I can smell something like a white floral, probably orange blossom in here. So it's a big rose and a big orange blossom. Little bit of watery aspect, but not oceanic or sea salty. No, this is just a fresh water, but it is a little bit on the watery side of things. Big lavender is very aromatic. It's very aromatic, super aromatic. So this is a big on aromatic, and this is a big lavender in here. The lavender is beautiful in here. It's very well done and is balancing with everything else. I can smell tonka bean in the background, giving it that nutty, earthy, sweet feel as well. So the main sweetness coming from the tonka bean in here. It's got an ambery body to it, but it's quite a fluffy and light amber. It's not a deep dense amber. It's a light and effervescent amber. And also the woody backbone, I can smell at least cedar. Yeah, cedar and maybe sandalwood as well, because it's very, very smooth. It's very rounded. It's very, very smooth. And also a little bit of muskiness to it as well. So overall, for a first impression, wow, what a smell and what an opening. To some extent, it reminds me of Dunhill Desire Red. Yes, Dunhill Desire Red, the original. It's not a 100% copy of that, but it reminds me of it very strongly. I used to have a bottle of that many years ago. I haven't smelled it for many years, but because Dunhill Desire Red is so strong in terms of character, you never forget it. If you wear it a few times, you never forget it. So yeah, it reminds me of that one very, very strongly. So if you like that one, you will love this one, especially for a price under £20. And it smells great. It's very, very good perfumery in here. It's very rounded, it's very balanced, it's very well done. But a few things to take away from this. First, this is very sweet. Second, big on the citruses. First, floral, massive, especially rose and orange blossom. And then after that is a lavender. The lavender is very, very aromatic here, mixing it super aromatic. It's about a watery aspect to it, fresh water aspect. Woody backbone, most likely to be cedar, combination of cedar and sandalwood, because it's very, very smooth and woody in the base. And also big tonka bean to give it that sweetness from the beginning. And also it's about nuttiness. It's quite nutty overall. It's about earthiness as well. So overall, for a first impression, yes, because I have a very, very good memory from Dunhill Desire Red. I absolutely love this one. When I was young, maybe in my early 20s, I wore that one a lot, and it wasn't a signature scent, but it was almost a signature scent. I used to wear it, especially going to college and university and things like that. I used a lot of it, and I had amazing memory from it. Back then, I used to get compliments almost every day I go to school or to university. Anyway, so first impression, yes, very, very good. 2 thumbs up. The only thing is it unisex? To mine, it is a little bit on the unisex side, although it's quite masculine at the same time. I would say 60% masculine and 40% femininity, but because of those sweetness and the floral aspect of it, it could easily be worn by ladies. In terms of season, this is all year rounder. In summer, less sprays. In winter, more sprays. In terms of occasion, this is a Swiss Army knife. I used to wear Dunhill Desire Red everywhere, and this is similar story. You can dress it up, dress it down. You can use it formal, informal, day, night, anything you want, casual. Very, very, very versatile. In terms of application, in terms of age, I would say 25 and up to in the safe side, because again, it reminds me of Dunhill Desire Red, and that one is a little bit on the mature side because it's on the classic side now. So I would say 25 and up to in the safe side. Okay, guys, what a smell, what a beauty, gorgeous, absolutely love it. So for the first impression, yes. In the next video, I'll let you know the longevity, the development, things like that. But for first impression, absolutely yes, under £20. This is a bargain if you like this kind of fragrances. Okay, guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you want to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes called The Scent of Persia, because I'm a Persian, I'm an Iranian man, and the ingredients is come from my country as well, Iran, We don't produce that much perfume oils, but when we do one of the best, if not the best, in the world. And that's why when I come up with these concoctions, the perfumes, I use those beautiful ingredients to come up with amazing fragrances. They are absolutely out of this world. They are super artistic, very mesmerizing, very mysterious, very artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.